lovely lady trans lovies, I am your girl lady, bringing you your hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also leave a comment below. So guys, Zandile Khumalo and Kelly Khumalo are not in good terms at the moment. Zandile Khumalo Kumede took it to Instagram as an official statement that she is actually divorcing from her sister Kelly Khumalo. Guys, I'm gonna read the statement like how it is as she put on Instagram. She wrote, "It is with great sadness and it is with a very heavy heart that I announce my divorce. If I was divorcing my husband, maybe it would have been a little bit easier and lighter because I have only known him for a few years, even though it feels like forever, but I am separating from a person that I have known for all my life, and I have shared laughs, pain, excitement, and disappointments with all my life with my sister. I want to officially put it on record that the statement my sister Kelly Khumalo made about me and my husband on social media and to some media people, it's rather haphazard, premature, and unnecessary, to say the least. We spoke about that issue and put it to her that the promoter didn't stick to his words, so she had no right to take it to the public platform without getting facts. I know that the fight is not even about a gig she was supposedly booked for, but the fight is with me and my husband because we both refused that I become part of our upcoming reality show without being compensated accordingly. Me and my husband, who is my manager, have worked very hard to remove me from her shadow, so we are not prepared to take the 10 step backs backward and have me be like a lakey on TV show just to please her. It hurts that she saw fit to go on social media to talk about me and my husband, the same people her and my family call when the kids have not eaten, the same man that had never had a problem with me sending them money when there's a problem. My sister lives for social media, and she's the kind of person that likes to pretend as if she got it all together when she actually isn't, and she hasn't been for a while now, and we always there to help. This hurts because personally I have been to hell and back with ngesizulu sithi kudala ngiwa ngivuka naye. The first and the last time I went to jail, it was because of her. The first time I was questioned by the police and even put in on a lie detector test, it was because of her. The first time I saw drugs with my own eyes, it was from her. Today I known as an accessory of murder, and it's all because of her. I have endured so much abuse and nonsense from her, but I kept quiet because that is the type of person I am. She was more than happy to have me as her dancer forever, even though she knew I was talented because it served her ego. She had no intentions of helping me start a music career, and when my husband removed me from under her shadow, she was bitter. At some point, she accused me of stealing her song that I didn't even write. I'm not going to allow her attack my house or my brand that I have both worked hard for because of her issues. With all that said, I have taken a decision that yes, I love her dearly, but I'm going to love her from a distance for now, because she is toxic as a person, and her friends and my mother can attest to that because she is my sister, and awukho umgqomo wokulahla umuntu. This is not a bash my sister, and it's either malicious like her post, but to protect what's mine, because if started telling you about other issues, your jaws will drop. I just wish that one day she will accept that she needs help and actually get help because I love her. Enough about that. Now back to music. Back to making great music. 2 singles coming out in 2 weeks called Agwanele and Lengoma. So that's the statement that Zandile Khumalo Gumede put it out on Instagram, that she is actually divorcing from her own blood, from her own sister Ukeli Khumalo, because she just stated that Ukeli Khumalo wants her to be always on her shadow. So guys, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm out till next time. Love you.